Hey there, Alex Kidman, and Apple's just sent me a 4-pack of its new AirTag trackers to review. So I thought I'd take a quick look at what's in the box, get some first impressions of them. I mean, really, there's not a whole lot to say here, of course. These are Apple's take on what Tile does, for example. Only, obviously, with some of the advantages Apple can bring to market in terms of the Find My network, but an Apple price tag to match. So let's give this an open. As you can see, this is still fresh in the box and all that good stuff, which means I might make a complete idiot of myself opening these, although Apple stuff is usually not too impossible to get out of the box. He says, optimistically, force, violence, these are the solutions. Well, maybe not. Okay, so we slide open. AirTag, just in case you weren't aware of what it was. Usual Apple regulatory information. Woo, I'm so excited. But in theory, I think, as long as my phone itself gets itself unlocked, there we go. In theory, I think that I should just be able to open these up and start bringing them in space. So, there we go. This is the 4-pack version. They also sell as single-pack versions, and of course you can also get the much more expensive, Hermès ones in fancy tags for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. If you're that way inclined, that's certainly not what I would be doing. But okay, let's pop one out. We were. Thank you, Kenneth Williams. And let's take the plastic off. Plastic comes off. Whoop. Plastic eventually comes off. And it's got one of those little tags, which is obviously connecting through to the battery there, because I'm fairly sure that once I actually pull that, we get a little noise, and oh look, AirTag, connect. Sure, I'll connect that. Let's just call it keys, I guess. Keys will do. I'm going to blur that bit out, obviously. It's setting up this tag as my keys. Now, that's good. That's actually really quite neat. It's a faster process, obviously, than you'll get with a Tile or some of the other ones there. But, this will also allow me to then see, what this tag is doing and where this tag is. And that's sort of it. I mean, Apple has sent me, a couple of tag holders as well, because one of the things that initially, and this is from when they announced them, that I thought, I'm not so keen, is this round shape. Yes, it makes a nice, neat little button, but it means you've got to either drop it in something or attach it to something. That's not so great. Anyway, that's my first tag. That's what you get in a pack of 4 AirTags. That's how you pair them. I better get on with testing them. Thanks for watching.